Hello, my beautiful babes, and welcome to the Bad Bitch Academy. It's your girl, Amber the Baddie, your bad bitch bestie, here to talk about some stage presence tips. Look, not to like toot my own horn, but toot motherfucking toot. My stage presence is straight up a 10 out of fucking 10. Everywhere I go, people are always telling me, holy shit, you are the best one on stage. You are the best stage dancer at this club. And I believe them. And it's not because I know how to do a bunch of pole tricks or I can climb the pole, spin around, go upside down. No. I actually hardly ever do any pole tricks. Nothing. You will rarely ever see my ass climbing that fucking thing. It's not worth it for me. It doesn't make me money, and it is not what gives my stage presence a 10 out of 10. So if you want to know how to level up your stage presence, watch this video all the way to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into it. First things first, you don't have to do so much. Your stage, the number one thing for you on stage is to engage with the audience. It doesn't matter what moves you do. If you are engaging with the audience, you are going to be way better than half the girls at your club. If you've been to a strip club, you will see girls who are dancing around, looking at the ceiling. Maybe their moves are very sexy. Maybe it's impressive, but they're in another fucking world. They're not making eye contact. They're not looking at the customers. They are not seducing. And your main job as a stripper is to seduce your fucking audience. So number one thing, fuck all your beliefs about having to have the best pole tricks. It's useless if you are not going to engage with the crowd. So that is my biggest tip. You don't have to do so much as long as you are engaging with the audience. Now, I started to make this little series before my Instagram got deleted where I was just making these little skits, and let's just watch this video about what not to fucking do on stage.
You captured, just let it slip. Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, yo.
Okay, it's kind of so fucking wow. That video was not the business, right? And let's actually kind of dive into why. Let's state the obvious, right? So first of all, walking onto stage, I looked hella awkward, shy, uncomfortable, not sturdy in the way I'm standing, looking like a baby deer walking for the first time, right? That's a big no-no. These are going to be all things that you should not do on stage. Next, doing too many moves, right? I was trying to move so fast, I didn't know what the fuck I was doing, and you can tell I was swinging around that pole like I had never touched one in my life. Nothing about that was hot. Nothing about that was sexy. And the people who would be watching that would be like, is this girl like okay in the head? Cause she don't look like it. So if you don't know how to do pole tricks, perhaps practice when the club is empty, go there a little early, stay after you close, take a pole dancing class, but don't try to learn new tricks on stage while you're working and you got an audience. Just don't do that. You're gonna save yourself a lot of embarrassment. Like I would have in that video, okay, my wig flying off. I've seen this legitimately happen at the club where a girl comes in, she's doing too fucking much, and her wig flies off onto a customer's face. Real shit that happened, and you have no idea how hard it is not to laugh at her when that's happening. That was one of the funniest moments of my life, and I felt so bad, and I don't want that to be you, because people will laugh because it is funny and you will be embarrassed. So don't do too much. Move slower. In that video, you saw I was trying to twerk or something and it looked like I was having a seizure. Once again, if you don't know how to twerk, practice at home, practice in front of your mirror, go to a class. Don't practice on stage when you don't know what you're doing. Your goal should be to seduce, not to look like someone on drugs, okay? Also, watch your faces. If you saw in that video, my face was not the business. I looked like something was wrong with me. So make sure your face is nice. You're smiling, you're looking sexy, you're being intentional with how your facial expressions are. And try to do moves where you're not gonna be sweaty, because you don't wanna be that girl who you're on stage for 5 minutes, you're fucking drenched. Someone's like, you're hot, I wanna get a lap dance with you. And you're sweating like a 300-pound man in Vegas. That's not the vibe. You're gonna be smelling gross, feeling sticky, and you're not gonna feel sexy. So slow down and don't do too much. So now I'm gonna show you another video of what you should do, and then we're gonna talk about what I did right in this video. Whoo, okay. Sexy bitch alert. That was hot. And let's talk about why, right? So first, as I'm walking onto the stage, I'm walking slowly. I'm moving sexily. I'm stepping with intention, and I have the energy that like, oh, I'm a bad fucking bitch. Like when I'm walking on stage, I literally will imagine myself being Beyonce, and as soon as Beyonce gets on that stage, she has everyone's attention. It's like, and that's how I feel when I go on stage. It's like my energy and my presence, the second I step on that stage, all of a sudden my chest goes up, my head forward, sexy face. I stop and I look at everybody like, are you guys ready for me? You get their attention. You can literally hear a pen drop when I go on stage. Conversations will stop, right? It will get silent for a second, and I'm like, perfect. They're fucking ready for me, right? So as I'm walking on stage, I'm walking slowly, looking around the audience, making eye contact. I'm here to seduce the fuck out of every person here. That is my only goal, right? So I'm looking around. Who's my next victim? Who is super attracted to me? Who is checking me the fuck out? Walking slowly, right? And as you saw, I'm moving slow. I'm not doing a bunch of pole tricks. I'm not spinning around and climbing upside down. Sure, I'm moving around the pole, but I'm showing off my body. And here's the thing, pole tricks are beautiful and women love them, but if a girl's fucking spinning at fucking 30 miles an hour, I cannot check her out. All I see is a blob of boobs. I want to see the boobs, not just the spinning blob, right? So move slowly, use your hands. For people who are watching you, they will follow your hands. So if you start your hands here, you'll notice people looking here. So you can direct their attention of what to look at. You can like take things off very slowly while making eye contact at someone. You can really like slow it the fuck down. Slow it down even slower than you think. You might feel like I'm moving so slow. That gives people a chance to really see how beautiful you are, to check you out, and to be like, holy shit, who is this woman? In that video, you saw that I was just like touching my body a lot. I did floor work, so I was just on the floor, crawling around, moving super slow and sexy. If there was an audience in front of me, I would literally put my ass right in someone's face, move really slow, like take my top off right in front of them. And really, like, you want every single person in the audience to feel like you are dancing for them and them alone. Even though they know that you're not, but you want to give them, even if it's 20 seconds of that eye contact, that connection, draw someone in, choose your fucking victim. Like, there's so much power in going on stage, and especially if you are intentional, you're gonna stand out from the girls who look like they don't want to be there. And I know you've seen it. Maybe you're that bitch who's like, oh, I'm on stage, I'm moving around. Sure, I'm twerking, but like, I'm not looking at the audience. Sure, I have a hot body, but it looks like I'm just not fully there and not present. And you want to be present. You don't go on stage that much. Use it to your advantage, because every time I go on stage, I get a VIP. That is just how it is. Nothing will ever change that. My stage presence is so strong that I know, okay, cool, I'm about to get a VIP right now. And that's the energy that I go into as I'm on stage. You are there to get your next victim. You are there to showcase yourself. And you are there to scope out the audience. Okay, who do I talk to next? Whose attention can I grab? Who is into me? Who can I seduce? Like, really, like, being fucking intentional while you are on stage. So those are my stage present tips. Now, if you really want to kill it on stage, I encourage you to invest in my course. In my course, I have a whole 45-minute dance class where I teach you all my stage moves that require no pole whatsoever. So you can practice this at home. You don't need any stripper pole experience, and they are so easy but so fucking sexy. And I teach you how to mix and match, how to make it your own, and I really give you all of my dance move tips. I also have an entire lesson about how to use stage to make so much fucking money. I give you tips on how to call people to the stage, how to get VIPs after every single time you go on stage, how to get people to tip you more money while you're there as well. So there is so much that you can learn from investing in my course. And if you want to know what exactly is included in this course, I will link the video up here and in the description where you can see behind the scenes what is in every single module and what exactly can you learn. So yeah, you got this, ladies. Stage is such a great opportunity for you to make so much fucking money. I will typically make, if it's a decent night at the club, I will usually make about $400 just in stage. Just in stage money. I get people to tip me 20s on stage every single time I go on stage. Multiple people tipping me $20. That shit adds up fast as fuck. So if you want to know all the tips, invest in my course. I'm teaching you everything you need to know to make as much money as you can as a stripper. I love you so much. Let me know if these dance tips were helpful for you. Let me know in the comments. Of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video.